Hey guys, have you ever scrolled through a website before and you notice that some parts are fixed and you are able to scroll through some other part of the website? Yes, something like this. It is called sticky scroll animation. It's mostly done using the no or low code tools like Figma and Webflow. But in today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to create this type of design inside of Figma and how to prototype it inside of Figma. If it sounds like something you want to learn, then let's dive straight into this tutorial video. Okay guys, so let's see samples of websites that has used it before. Sample is like the Rise Vest. So basically, they just use it like for some sections on the app, sections where you don't want to take the entire space on your particular website. Let's go into Figma and let me teach you how to achieve the same thing, and let's see how the prototype will work. So basically, I already have this section on my Figma. So I designed my cards already. You see them; they're just normal cards, normal frame, nothing different, nothing exceptional. Me just trying to show sections that I want to overlap. So basically, if I go to my prototype now, if I scroll it up, you see there's nothing is sticking to any part of the website here, right? But let's go back into like the file and let's do the magic. Then you see what I'm saying. So now what you need to do to achieve the sticky scroll is to basically just make sure that these guys are not far apart at all. Just make sure that they're not so far apart. Make sure that your spacing is reasonable, right? So that's fine like this. Then you just need to come here and give your card sticky scroll. So it's called sticky scroll. So it's called sticky stop at the top edge. So you come here and say sticky, right? Then you come to the second one too, you say sticky, right? Then the third, you say I want it to be sticky at the top. So now you see that when I come here and prototype, right? When I get into the prototype section and it's loaded already, when I scroll, it start overlapping each other, right? Then this overlaps the other one. Basically, that is how it works inside of Figma today. So if you have like extension of like more pages, you see that this same thing will literally work for you. Yeah, I know you that you're watching this video right now, you're enjoying it. Please, and you are not subscribed yet, please go subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share to your friends. Please, thank you very much. So let's continue, guys. If I come here back to my design and I add maybe another section to it, let's say I have more other sections inside of here. I can literally just maybe make this another color entirely and not give it sticky. Let me remove the stickiness and do this. Let me remove the stickiness and say scroll with parent. Then remove all these guys and make it another color entirely. Right. I don't have any content inside right now. Maybe let me just change the color to something dark so that it looks different. Right. So when I come here and I check my prototype, right, you see that when I scroll in, this still scrolls to the top, right? But this is scrolling under because of the positioning of the text. So let's come in here and adjust our text to fitting into its own frame, right? Its own frame. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to have this section in their own frame, like this, and we're going to also have that other section in its own frame. Right, so that's fine. So where's this frame? Let me send it to box so that I can pick this guys and put it inside. So this is the frame. Let me give you more appearance. Yeah, so this is fine. So now we've separated them. They still have their scroll intention inside of them, right? So now if you go back to our prototype, you see the difference now that this is going to stick to whatever it's supposed to stick to, and this is going to follow through, right? Because they're inside different frames. But if they're inside one single long frame, which is maybe you don't put this in a frame, you just put this guy on a normal plain page, and this guy too is not in a frame. This section is not also in a frame on Figma. you see that this guy will start rolling under this page and it will feel so weird and not really nice. So that is how you can sort that if that happens to you. So basically, that's just what I wanted to share today. So guys, that is how easy it is to create a sticky scroll animation inside of Figma. And if this video was helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the only way you're helping the channel to grow. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.